Kung naghahanap ka nga ng affordable house and lot na maganda ang location, accessible at malapit lang sa Manila, yet nag-worry ka for the required income dahil nga naman kapag malapit ang location, automatically mataas talaga ang required income at mahal ang property. Then, ito na nga ang sign mo magkabahay this year. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito, and for today, nandito nga tayo sa aming Alice model here in Lancaster, New City, Cavite. Highly recommended nga to for starting family o di kaya yung mga buyers ko na naghahanap ng rental investment. May lot area ka na nga na 50 square meters at may floor area ka na rin na 40 square meters. Kaya naman may 3 bedrooms ka na, 1 toilet and bath, and syempre provision for a carport. Complete finish na rin ang turnover nito kaya less expenses on the renovation part. Ang pinaka-best part nga ay ang community kasi complete township na tayo. Loob ng community, may school, may supermarket, point-to-point transport system, may mga well-known restaurant, hospital, kaya hindi ka na talaga lalabas ng community for the essential need of your family. At alam mo bang for as low as 12